I've got a 1955 Singer model 1591. Serial number is AM135334. And I've got 6 layers of denim. They were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. And just to show you while the machine works. There you can see it's got equal stitch on both sides. Now I've got 4 layers of vinyl upholstery, and again the same thing, these are already stitched once. And there you can see equal stitch again. And then finally I've got a 1/8 inch thick piece of leather belt. And that already had 1 stitch run through it. And there you have it.